Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate sequence with leading zeros or number at the start is zeros in Google Sheets. So if you want to start like numbers in cells in Google Sheets, when you start with zeros like this and then you click on other numbers and then you click on enter, the zero will disappear and then it will detect as one like this. And the old way to do the leading zeros is you can just use apostrophe like this and then click on the zero, click on the numbers and then 1 for example. And after that the zeros will still be there if you use apostrophe. So I'm going to add another number like this, and if you want to generate you can just block these two cells and then drag the data like this. Okay, so that's the first way, or that's the old way on how you can generate sequence with leading zeros like this. And I'm going to show you the other options that you want if you want. When you want to like add zeros at the front before the other numbers. So what you guys can do is just use this function. You can just use sequence. Okay, and then rows, so number of rows, I'm going to just choose 10 like this, and after that just click on columns 1 and then start with 1 and then after that 1 again, stop, click on enter, and after that 4 sequence number will be created like this. But if you want to add zeros, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to put on the new row at above of this, and then I'm going to click on 0, 0, 0, zeros, and then click on enter. And then after that, I'm going to use this function. So just type it in here, concatenate. So this functions right here, and then the string is this one, choose this one, and then absolute, oops, okay, and then after that comma and choose the string to this one's right here, and then click on enter. And after that just click on the check icon to autofill the rest of the data, and it will go like this. The zeros will still be there, and you can just, for example, you want to add zeros, it will change automatically like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can generate sequence with leading zeros in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.